Hi, I'm Caden with Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. Today we are going to be covering how to properly replace your furnace filter. First, we want to power the furnace off by turning the disconnect switch off. Next, you will open the filter cover and remove that existing filter. And every filter has an arrow on it indicating the direction of airflow. You always want that arrow pointing in the direction of the furnace. Good rule of thumb is for every inch of thickness the filter is, that's how many months you can go before it needs replaced. So the 1-inch filters should get replaced about every 30 days. Next, we will grab our new filter and our Sharpie that we keep nearby the furnace, and we are going to write the date on our filter. That way we never forget when we replaced it last. And with that arrow pointing in the direction of the furnace, we are going to insert our new filter, covering the filter cover, and lastly, turning that furnace in the on position.